Vaccination drive for above 18 years age group is about to start today, but due to the weekend lockdown, the 9 districts of Haryana have not started the vaccination today. In fact, the vaccination for above 45, even it has also been closed for 2 days. Right now, we are standing outside the vaccination center of Panchkula, where I can show you the visuals that this completely deserted. Just because the weekend lockdown, it is entirely deserted and no vaccination is happening at any center, at any district which was placed under the lockdown. You can see this is the vaccination center that remain full in the weekdays, but now when the weekend lockdown has been announced, the vaccination center has been closed and people are informed to come on Monday. Vaccination will resume on Monday, and in fact, due to the lockdown, 9 districts are not facing the vaccination today, though it was planned to start the vaccination above 18 years today itself, but due to the lockdown, these 9 districts remain vacated in the vaccination centers. Some people are here who came here to get the vaccination, and even above 45 or above 18, they are all here, but due to the closure of vaccination center, they are returning back to their homes. We will try to talk to them also. Sir, क्या नाम है जी आपका?
सुरेंद्र कुमार कौशिक।
आज आप वैक्सीनेशन लगवाने आए थे?
जी जी। लेकिन यहाँ पे अभी कल मेरे को आया था तो उन्होंने बोला था कि आपका यहाँ पे लगेगा कम्युनिटी सेंटर में, लेकिन अब यहाँ पे आया तो जो टाइम दिया उस टाइम से भी आया अब, लेकिन अब ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से बोल रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे वैक्सीन है स्टॉक में कि नहीं है। आप कहते हैं उसकी वजह से कोई मतलब वैक्सीनेशन नहीं होगा कोई भी, लेकिन ये चीज़ वैक्सीन के लिए तो मेरे ख्याल में लॉकडाउन नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये एक ज़रूरी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से लॉकडाउन लग रहा है। उसके लिए भी अगर आप 2 दिन डिले करते तो 2 दिनों में कितने केसेस इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं, ये भी सरकार को सोचना चाहिए ना।
So due to the weekend lockdown, the vaccination drive is being delayed for 2 days. It will resume Monday, but the people are complaining that it should be done on the weekends also. Few more people are here. मैम कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम पंचकुला 15 सेक्टर से आए हैं।
आप भी वैक्सीनेशन के लिए आए?
हाँ जी, वैक्सीनेशन के लिए आए हैं। नहीं, मेरे तो फर्स्ट लगनी है।
अच्छा, तो अभी क्या कह रहे हैं ये, आपको क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन?
मंडे को आने, मंडे को आएंगे।
वीकेंड लॉकडाउन है, उसकी वजह से सस्पेंड किया गया।
हाँ जी सर।
So you can see there are the people who are actually visiting in routine that to get their vaccination done, but due to the lockdown, the people are returning without the vaccination and without getting their jabs. Even the people who are above 45, the people who are above 18, all are started visiting here in this center, but the center is completely deserted, and in fact the doors have been closed for 2 days due to the weekend lockdown, and 9 districts including Panchkula is one of them who is placed under the weekend lockdown, due to which the vaccination drive is being suspended for 2 days. We will try to talk to the more people who are here. Ma'am, कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
I am from Bara A, but I am satisfied from the government efforts. फर्स्ट बिफोर काफ़ी डेज से जब लोगों को बोला जा रहा था वैक्सीनेशन लगवा लो, दे सेड नो, हमें अभी नहीं लगवाना। तो जब अब गवर्नमेंट ने इतने दिनों से, हम यहाँ काफ़ी दिनों से आ रहे हैं, यहाँ इतनी भीड़ लग रही है, 6,000 लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन लग रही है, तो अब आज इन दिनों में जब 1-2 दिन नहीं आती तो लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। आई एम वेरी ट्रूली स्पीकिंग कि गवर्नमेंट इज़ डूइंग देयर बेस्ट एंड आवर सेक्टर इज़ बेटर देन अदर सेक्टर्स।
So the vaccination will resume on Monday. This information has been reached to you or not?
हाँ, we know about this, but I want to know if they are doing something, so then we can know. But I am satisfied from the government efforts and our sector also.
So you can see this is the voices of the general people. They are visiting here in the vaccination center, but due to the closure of the vaccination center for 2 days due to the lockdown, weekend lockdown, in fact the people are returning, and some of them are complaining, some of them are praising for the government efforts, just because this is the situation when all the people have to join the hands, and vaccination is the only solution when that can fight against the COVID-19 phase 2 spike.